Welcome to Gelous Nail Art Tutorials. Today we are going to be doing a Taylor Swift look inspired by her album Red. Let's get into it. After completing your nail prep, apply a thin coat of pink rubber base coat and cap the free edge. Cure for 60 seconds. Apply a thin coat of pink builder gel and cap the free edge. This is called a slip layer. You don't want to cure this step. Apply a small bead of builder gel and push it towards the cuticle area, making sure it does not touch your skin. Gently move the builder gel from left to right, working up the nail, then cap the free edge. Using a thin nail art brush, pull some builder gel up the nail as this will help even out the application. Alternatively, you can do 1 to 2 thin coats, curing after each coat. Cure for 60 seconds. If your builder gel has bulked the free edge, gently file your nails back to shape. Apply nail polish remover to a lint-free wipe and thoroughly clean your nails. Apply 2 thin coats of fine glitter, curing after each coat. Cure for 60 seconds. Wipe your nails clean for the sticker application. Using the Gelous nail art tweezers, gently peel off the nail sticker you would like to use and place onto your nail. Make sure you are happy with the placement, as you won't be able to remove it once applied. Using a silicone tool, gently rub into place, making sure there are no bumps or air bubbles. Using Whiteout and your dotting tool, paint a dot above the heart. Using a thin nail art brush, draw a long vertical line and a short horizontal line to create your star. If you have room, repeat the step on the other side. Cure for 10 seconds. Apply a thin coat of rubber top coat and cap the free edge. Cure for 60 seconds. Apply Gelous Cuticle Oil around your nails and rub into your skin to nourish and moisturize.